Hi there, and welcome to Viridor Ardley Energy Recovery Facility. Before we go any further, we have some core expectations to make sure everybody goes home safe. Follow the rules, assess all risks, take ownership. Home safe puts your personal responsibility for safety at the heart of everything we do, putting the me in home safe. Whilst on site, you are responsible for your own and others' safety. Please ask as many questions as you like, making sure you have understood by signing a copy of the site rules. Also, please do not take any photos whilst on site. Please note, this site opens at 7 a.m. Full opening times can be found at the site entrance. Here at Viridor, we have 8 house rules. You will be guided as to where and how to park should you need to on site. If you are entering operational areas, you must take all due care and attention and follow site signage. Adhere to traffic arrangements, keeping eyes and ears open. Please follow one-way systems, signage and speed limits. Be alert to the presence of pedestrians. Give way at crossing points, ensuring you come to a complete stop. Loads must be fully contained. Ensure that before you leave to drive to Ardley ERF, there are no overhanging materials. Drivers must always stay in the cab when they are not operating their vehicles, unless otherwise instructed by site personnel. Make eye contact with the site operative and follow any directions they give. Passengers are not allowed onto site unless they are a fellow driver under training. Never use a mobile phone or other handheld or hands-free device whilst driving on site. Smoking is not permitted anywhere on site. This includes e-cigarettes. In the event of an emergency, all vehicle movement should cease. Get the attention of site personnel and head to the muster point. Always hold the handrail on stairs. This is the route to the tipping hall. Drivers who are carrying out bulk deliveries or bulk collections must drive to the diesel tank and wait in this area. Drivers visiting Fortis should enter, then wait to be waved through. Fortis are not managed by Viridor and therefore have their own rules. When you arrive at the tipping hall, stop before the zebra crossing. Look to your right to see which bay you have been allocated via the digital bay board. If you have been selected for a waste inspection, please empty your waste starting at the bunker edge moving forwards so it can be inspected. Beware of our mobile plant operating in the tipping hall, which will keep a one-bay gap from you at all times. Only the driver is allowed to exit the vehicle inside the tipping hall. Be careful of slips, trips and falls. Never jump down from or climb under your vehicle. Before leaving your cab, ensure the handbrake is fully engaged and your vehicle is fully secure. Park with the front wheels in line with the bay lines to ensure there's enough room at the rear of your vehicle. When opening rear doors, you must stay 4 meters away from the bunker edge. Never cross the 2-meter line. We do not allow shunting. If you are struggling to unload, please beep your horn 3 times for assistance. Do not climb into the back of your vehicle to sweep away excess material. While wearing gloves, use a brush to clean excess material away and ensure your number plate and brake lights are clear. Never use your hands only. When leaving the tipping hall, make sure your vehicle is fully shut with nets closed and will safely fit beneath the goalposts. Personal protective equipment must be worn. There are 5 essential items including hard hats, high-vis clothing, ankle support boots with steel toe cap and midsole, safety glasses and safety gloves. Long sleeves are required on site and shorts and inadequate footwear such as rigger boots are not permitted. All tasks must be risk assessed and undertaken by competent, authorised persons. During waste unloading in the tipping hall, you must stay in your cab. Drivers must not enter the 2-meter safety area. No persons are allowed in this zone. If you need help, stay in your cab and sound the horn 3 times. A member of site personnel will assist you. There are a number of vehicle types at Viridor Ardley, including waste, bulk consumables, APCR collections, IBA collections, roll-on roll-off skip vehicles, palletized deliveries and collections, and other waste collection vehicles. For IBA collections, follow this route to enter Fortis and sit their induction. Ash will be loaded into the trailer via a loading shovel. Please wait inside your vehicle at all times. Ensure sheeting systems on vehicles are fully closed before leaving Fortis. Please note, all standard exit routes join at the roundabout, so be aware of other vehicle movement. We use PIN number entry for some waste contracts on the weighbridge. Do this by entering your PIN and following the instructions. Please ask the operator if you need assistance. All loads must be fully secured before leaving the site. We encourage everyone to take pride in their environment. Be respectful of others and do not drop litter anywhere on site. Make sure windows are clear of obstructions. Ensure your vehicle is safe, secure, and clean. If you see anything unsafe, report it. Reporting unsafe acts or conditions to site personnel helps us keep our sites safe. When leaving Viridor Ardley, please do not stop or make a U-turn on the Hall Road. All vehicles must arrive and leave from the M40 Junction 10. Viridor prides itself on being a considerate neighbour. If you don't follow the rules we have provided, it could result in an infringement notice. We would also communicate this to your employer, which could result in a permanent ban from all Viridor sites. So, remember, all vehicles must reverse park if using the car park. Follow the site traffic arrangements, including speed limit. Know where your emergency exits are and how to raise an alarm. Hold the handrail. Maintain 3 points of contact when entering or exiting your vehicle. Wear PPE appropriate to the task. Tasks must be risk assessed and undertaken by competent authorised persons. Take pride in the work environment, tidy as you go. Challenge and report all unsafe acts, conditions and incidents. Your input is important to make sure everyone goes home safe.